Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to launch a game or application in Windows 11 and receive the 00007B error, it means there is an invalid image format, usually caused by a mix-up between 32-bit and 64-bit system files. I will show you exactly how to fix these corrupted libraries right now. Let's get started. First, the most common cause of this crash is corrupted or mismatched C++ runtime libraries. Open your web browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Latest Supported Downloads, and go to the official Microsoft page. You must download and install both the x86 and x64 versions regardless of your system architecture. Run both downloaded installers, agree to the terms, click Install or Repair, and then restart your computer. Next, if the error persists, a missing or outdated DirectX file is likely the culprit, especially for gaming applications. Search Google for the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer and download the tool directly from Microsoft's official website. Run the setup file, accept the license agreement, make sure to uncheck the optional Bing bar installation prompt, and click Next to allow the tool to automatically replace any missing core DirectX files in your system folders that are causing the architecture conflict. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.